Welcome to Inside Secrets. Today, we're diving into the creamy world of peanut butter. Ever wondered how those delicious jars of peanut butter make their way from the farm to your table? Let's find out. Our journey begins on the farm. Peanuts are grown in warm climates, primarily in the southern United States. Farmers plant peanut seeds in sandy soil, and after about 5 months, the plants are ready for harvest. The peanuts are pulled from the ground, cleaned and dried before being sent to processing plants. Once the peanuts arrive at the processing plant, the first step is shelling. This involves removing the outer shell to reveal the peanut kernel inside. Next, the peanuts are roasted to enhance their flavor. Roasting is a critical step, as it brings out the rich, nutty taste we all love. After roasting, the peanuts undergo blanching, where their skins are removed. This is done using hot air or water. The blanched peanuts are then ground into a thick paste. This grinding process can take several stages to achieve the desired smoothness. To create the perfect peanut butter, additional ingredients are mixed in. These typically include salt, sugar, and oil. The type and amount of oil used can vary, but it helps to achieve the creamy texture. Some brands also add stabilizers to prevent the oil from separating. The mixture then goes through homogenization, a process that ensures all ingredients are evenly distributed. This step is crucial for achieving a consistent texture. After homogenization, the peanut butter is cooled to solidify its creamy consistency. With the peanut butter ready, it's time for packaging. The creamy spread is filled into jars, which are then sealed to keep the product fresh. Labels are applied, and the jars are packed into boxes for distribution. Quality control is a vital part of the process. Inspectors check the peanut butter for consistency, taste, and safety. Finally, the jars of peanut butter are distributed to stores nationwide. From there, they make their way into your home, ready to be enjoyed on sandwiches, in recipes, or straight from the jar. And there you have it, the incredible journey of peanuts from the farm to the jar. Each step meticulously crafted to bring you the creamy, delicious peanut butter we all love. From the careful selection of the finest peanuts to the precise roasting and grinding, every detail matters. It's a blend of tradition and technology, working together to create a product that's both nutritious and delightful. Next time you enjoy a spoonful of peanut butter, remember the journey it took to get to your table. It's a testament to the dedication and passion of everyone involved in the process. Peanut butter isn't just a spread, it's a source of joy, a staple in our kitchens, and a part of our cherished memories. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Inside Secrets for more fascinating insights into the world of manufacturing and production.